Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use the wrap_text function in Excel VBA. Wrap_text is also a function that is available in Excel VBA. So how to use this wrap_text function in Excel VBA, that thing I will show you in this video. But at first of all you have to know what is the use of wrap_text. Wrap_text helps you to fit any text in any particular cell. Suppose if I type in this particular cell, that is G8, you can see here it is G8, and if I type something in this particular text cell, okay, you can see that the text that I have just typed in this particular cell is not get fit. Okay, so now if I go to the home tab and click on this, that is wrap_text, then you will find that this particular text will get fit in this particular cell automatically. Okay, so you can see the effect. The same thing you can do by the help of VBA also. Okay, so suppose I take this example, this cell. Okay, I will suppose if I type something on this particular cell, you can see it is not get fit in this particular cell. Okay, so to use this by the help of VBA, I have to go to the developer tab and Visual Basic, and at first of all I will insert a module, and I give the name of the module in the name of wrap_text, any name that you want to give, but now wrap_text. I have told you earlier that also that in VBA I can't use the space, so I use the underscore over here, wrap_text. Okay, wrap_text. Now I will declare the variable at first, that is dim sh as worksheet, set sh equal to active sheet, and then sh dot range. The range is now is this, that is I12. okay, I12, you can see here it is age and I12. okay, so that is the range, bracket start, and in the bracket I12 inverted comma close and bracket also close, dot wrap_text equal to true, nothing else. I have to give any code over here. It is done, and if I run the macro, then you will find that this particular text, you can see at present it is not get fit in this particular cell, but after I run the macro, then you will find that this particular text get fit in this particular cell automatically. Okay, so I run the macro. Okay, so I go back to the VBA window, and if I run the macro, it is a run button, and if I run the macro, then you can see that this particular cell get fit in this particular text get fit in this particular cell automatically. Okay, by this process also you can use to fit any particular text to any particular cell. Okay, I have shown you two processes, that is this process by the help of by going to the home tab and by clicking on this wrap_text button, and the second process by using the VBA macro. Okay, if you have any problem regarding this, please tell us where you are finding any problem, and if you have not visit see our YouTube videos, then I request you please see the videos that we have published to our official YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for watching.